the result from the other clinic was not good. And that's the reason why I'm here at DHI. Hi, I am Manoj. Right now I'm here at DHI ready to have hair transplant surgery. I'd already undergone a hair transplant surgery a year back at another clinic, which was an FUT technique. I'm here at DHI for two reasons. One, to correct the mistakes that were made during the FUT technique. Misplaced hair follicles with double and triple grafts, wrongly placed grafts on the forehead, resulting in an unnatural hairline with poor density and visible gaps. And two, to improve my hair density and my hairline using the hair transplant procedure. As the DHI expert reshapes my hairline, I can already see the transformation I've been waiting for. So the trimming's done. I got a nice sterilized head wash and the extraction is complete. The extraction part was actually pain-free compared to my FU technique. We are going to go to the next step, which is the implantation. The procedure is done. It was handled very professionally. There was minimal pain and I'm actually very happy with how the procedure went. As you can see, all the unwanted hair follicles from my first procedure have been removed. The doctor also created an artistic hairline and focused on the temporal sides as well. I'm excited to see how the results turn out. I'd like to give a great thanks to all the doctors, nurses and other staff at DHI.